Imagine waking up one morning to news that the S&P 500 has dropped by 25%. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you there's a real possibility of this happening in 2025? In today's video, we'll break down the reasons why a major crash like this could be on the horizon and how it might impact you, your investments, and the economy. Stick with me to uncover some startling truths you won't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Calm Capital, and today we're diving deep into a topic that could seriously change the way you think about investing and the future of the economy. In this video, we'll be discussing the possibility that the S&P 500 might lose 25% of its value by 2025. You've probably heard the stock market can be volatile, but what exactly does a 25% drop mean, and how could it happen? Let's break it down step by step, so you can understand what's going on, and why it might be more likely than you think. Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly cover what the S&P 500 is. For those who aren't familiar, the S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest companies in the United States, from tech giants like Apple and Microsoft to energy companies like ExxonMobil. When people talk about the market, they often refer to the S&P 500 as a barometer for the overall health of the economy. A drop in the S&P 500 usually signals trouble, but is it really possible for it to fall by 25% in just a year or two? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. First, let's take a quick look at history. The stock market is cyclical, meaning it goes through periods of growth and decline. We've seen major drops before. In 2008, during the global financial crisis, the S&P 500 lost about 57% of its value. In 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the S&P 500 dropped by roughly 35%, but it quickly rebounded. So, a drop of 25% may sound huge, but it's not unprecedented. In fact, considering some of the factors that are currently at play, it might not be as far-fetched as it seems. Now, let's talk about why 2025 could be a tipping point. There are several factors we need to consider that could trigger such a dramatic drop in the market. Rising interest rates. The Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates to combat inflation. While this might sound good for controlling prices, higher interest rates can also slow down consumer spending, increase borrowing costs, and reduce corporate profits. If the Fed continues to hike rates aggressively, it could trigger a significant slowdown in the economy, leading to a drop in stock prices. Inflation. evolve. So, what can you do to prepare for a potential market downturn? Here are a few tips. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, like bonds, commodities, and international stocks to reduce risk. Stay liquid. Keep enough cash or liquid assets on hand to weather a downturn. This way, you're not forced to sell investments at a loss when the market is down. Focus on long-term goals. If you're investing for retirement or other long-term goals, remember that market downturns are a normal part of the cycle. Stay calm, stick to your plan, and avoid making emotional decisions. Consider hedging. Some investors use options or inverse ETFs to hedge against market declines. While these strategies aren't for everyone, they can offer protection in volatile times. Stay informed. Keep an eye on economic trends, Federal Reserve policies, and market conditions, so you can make informed decisions about your investments. So, will the S&P 500 really lose 25% of its value by 2025? No one can say for sure, but the factors we've discussed today suggest that the possibility is very real. By understanding these risks and preparing for them, you'll be in a better position to protect your investments and even take advantage of opportunities that come up during market downturns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone who might need this information. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think a 25% drop is coming? I'd love to hear your opinion. Until next time, stay informed and stay prepared.